In this video, we're going to be replacing this master power window switch, which is on the driver's side front door. Use a trim tool and pop the front of this switch panel up. It's clipped on at the front, and then slide it forward because it has a little hook here. Now if you flip it over, you can see all the electrical connections. To replace this master window switch, I'm going to first disconnect the switch. It's got a couple tabs on the back of these connectors here that if you press in, it will release the connector. There you go, you can see it on this one. Okay, and now you can either use a pocket screwdriver or your trim tool and push up on the switch while popping up these little clips here. So I'm going to pry out like this. The switch wants to slide up. That's perfect. There we go. Let's do the same to this side over here. One more. And now the switch is free. You can set this aside and grab your new one. To install this new one, line it up and just press it in to make sure all four corners click. Now you can plug it in. Make sure the electrical connectors click. That's one. And there you have it. Now to reinstall this switch panel, I'm going to slide the back in first, that little hook, and then press it down at the front, and it's locked in. Go ahead and test out your new switch.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.